Hey guys, welcome to Ali Art Attack. Today we'll be transforming this rundown piece of furniture into this new dressing table. Whenever you're refurbishing a piece of furniture, the first step is always sanding. You need to spend a good amount of time on sanding. Okay, so the next step is see if any nut is loose and get it fixed before starting the painting process. I had one loose, so I'm getting it fixed. And here comes my first coat of paint. I was really excited about this. Using a sponge for this. It's easy coverage in comparison to a brush. I'm going for a second coat for a smoother look, but you can just go for like one coat if you want a raw, rough look. I was going for an eccentric look, so I added a little bit of grey. You also have to keep your surroundings in mind because my background wall was grey, so that is the reason I decided to add grey as my secondary color. So here comes the fun part. I'm replacing my old boring wooden knobs with colorful knobs that would really pop out. I'm almost done. Thank you so much for watching, and here we are. Please subscribe if you like my work.